Hi, and welcome back to Experience Inspirations. Press your way right on in, press your way right on in, and remember through prayer and supplication, press your way throughout your day. When I say press your way throughout your day with the elements that may be in your life at this time, continue to press your way. Don't sit still. I know sometimes it may seem real easy and at hard times to move, but press your way. As continuing and following, we're in Psalms 23, and today we're on 23 and 3, which reads as follows. He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right path for his name's sake. He refreshes my soul. He guides me and you along the right path for his name's sake. Not my name, not your name's sake, but for his name's sake. You know, the Lord restores our soul. He really do. He has his plans for our life, and his plans are right, correct, no faults, no sin. And no one's going to get it perfectly, and you sure can't get it without him. That's why he restores our soul. You know, God leads us into work, into service for him. He leads us into work, into service for him. Rest in the green pastures and refreshments is provided by him with those still waters. When they are fit to work for him. Glory be to God. Who else can tell us with assurance and a promise that the work is fit for him and gonna guide you each and every step of the way of the work? That means we don't have to have the answers to the who, what, when, and why. He already have an answer. You know, I love Psalms. I do. I love Psalms, and I smile because David is such an encourager. It's so many other disciples that encourage me, but David is a strong encourager in the Bible. You know, he credits the Lord, his shepherd, for restoring and refreshing his soul. You know, if a sheep became injured in the story that I was reading, the shepherd would treat the wounds until it was in good health. And that's what God's doing for us. When we're hurt, he treats us until we're in good health and returned. How often has the Lord restored you? And especially restored you in good spiritual health after the hurt, whether it been at church, within the family, within the community, from your children. You know, how many times have the Lord restored us? Each of us. I know it's unlimited counts for me. You know, watching him closely as he restores us, Peter also relied on self-confidence. Guess what God did? Guess what God did for him? He failed miserably, but the good shepherd generously restored him to spiritual health. And if he did it for Peter, he'll do it for me. He's going to do it for me. And he's going to do it for you. That's John 21:15 through 19. From Experience Inspirations. I love each and every one of you all. Thank you for listening. It's always my prayer that the scriptures and topics we discuss on this channel be an uplifting and encouragement not only to you, but that you'll share it out to someone else that may be in need of this encouragement too. Until the next video, where we'll be in Psalms 23 and 4. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.